If you having girl problems, I feel bad for you, son. I got 99 problems, but a bitch ain't one. I got the rap patrol on the cat patrol. Foes that want to make sure my casket's closed. Rap critics to save money, cash holes. I'm from the hood, stupid, what type of facts are those? If you grew up with holes in your zapper toes, you celebrate the minute you was having dope. I'm like, fuck critics, you can kiss my whole asshole. If you don't like my lyrics, you can press fast forward. Got beef with radio if I don't play they show. They don't play my hits, well I don't give a shit. So, rap mags try and use my black ass so advertisers could get.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let me hear you scream if you want some more. Like push it, watch me work it. I'm perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me hear you scream if you want some more. Like push it.
Sister and brother, your name is Deborah.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much longer. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya. Right Let's now. Get lost tonight. You could be my black cape.
Do you realize that you the most beautiful face? Do you somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sand, watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing. It's far beyond the star, it's near beyond the moon.
Oh, la belle vie, sans amour, sans soucis, sans problème. Oui, la belle vie, on est seul, on est libre et on traîne, on s'amuse.